Could your tampons be hurting your fertility? Well, unfortunately, the answer is maybe and probably. A research lab just recently did a large test on a ton of your favorite tampons, even those that are saying that they're certified organic, and found that they had significant amounts of heavy metals, including lead and arsenic, which are known to be catastrophic to your fertility. What should you do? Don't freak out. That's the most important thing. What's in the past, in the past. And the good news is our bodies are actually fairly decent at detoxing themselves. So don't go and do a big detox. Don't buy any vaginal detoxing. I'm sure that's going to pop up here. That's probably a scam. All you need to do is take really good care of yourself. Help get rid of some of the chemicals in your environment. Start detoxing your overall load so your body can do a better job at detoxing itself, and switch to a menstrual cup. If you go over to the website The Clean Cabinet, it has all kinds of clean things in it at super affordable prices. If you just type in the search bar so it makes it easier to find menstrual cup, I think that menstrual cup is $9. So it's a super good deal. You don't need a fancy steamer for that either. I hate all this stupid additional stuff that they're trying to get you to buy. When you're using a menstrual cup, all you need to do is take it out while you're in the shower and give it a good scrub with nice hot water and plenty of soap. It'll be fine. Trust me on this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.